And here's my basil yield. Not doing too bad. Basil, rosemary hasn't really grew much, but it ain't dying. So again, I bought it from Walmart, and it's been in there probably about a month or so. Probably a little over a month. I don't know. I'll have to look back at the video and see when I posted it. But again, man, no seed, didn't have to grow from seed. I went to Walmart, put it in the pot, and it just started taking off. So you got plenty of basil, plenty of rosemary. Well, I mean, the rosemary ain't growing like I thought it would, but it's growing. It's doing a little something, something. So, yeah, like I said, man, y'all go to Walmart, buy you one of those small little basil plants. They're like $1 or $2. I mean, this thing was small when I bought it, and it's growing up pretty big, as you can see. Same with the rosemary. Bought the rosemary from the Walmart with the roots on it. Threw it in the pot, and now we got plenty of basil growing in that pot. Basil's really good for you. Smells really good. Has a lot of benefits. So I would definitely recommend getting you a basil yield. Throwing it in the pot. And eating some nice, beautiful plants from the outcome. I love basils. Tastes really good, especially when it's fresh. I like to put it in my nachos. Sometimes I like to put it in some of my pastas. You just get a real luxurious, tasty meal out of it when you do it the right way. So there you have it. 1 month. That's just 1 month. Imagine when it's, growing a little bit longer. It'll probably get much bigger and much taller. So, yeah, man. I recommend going to Walmart and buying it. Greenmaker Farm. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll probably do another update in another couple more months to see how big it gets from there. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all supporting my channel. I'm out.